Hello guys, so many people talk about the new products of Apple, the Apple Vision Pro. And I find this product has great potential and this memes perfectly describes. Okay, so by watching these memes, you understand that it can have so many different functions and you already know what I'm going to talk about. I think actually it can be a great market because the pornography industry is a giant billions of dollars, and with the Apple Vision Pro there can be some collaboration between the P website and Apple, and it can be a great collaboration. And then Apple will find so many new customers, and it is a good thing. But I think there will have some ethical issue. But the point is, who really care about ethical issue when it's come to money, when it's come to pornography, right? So this my expectation of the product. Okay, focus on this area. Maybe you don't agree with it, please comment. I will read and reply all your comments. Thank you very much.